dkdynamics presents Stair climbing trolley.
Hello friends, welcome to the all new season of dkdynamics. So friends, as you know, I and Rob have come back with some more new and fantastic projects. So friends, we all do have trolley with wheels and we use it to carry our clothes as well as other goods. So friends, I have also bought one trolley with wheels to carry my clothes and other goods, using it very conveniently on smooth surfaces and from moving from platform to train or from train to platform. We are climbing over the stairs, we can't use the wheels of that trolley and we have to lift a trolley with the handle. And friends, it is a very convergent task. And friends, we have also seen that when we go to the departmental stores, it is very hard to unload the heavy goods in the trolley down the stairs because the height of the stairs is very high. So friends, according to the law of physics, our body spends much more energy while carrying the goods on the stairs to maintain the balance, and it is doing the work against the gravity. Get tired. So friends, I was working to make a trolley which can move on the stairs, and friends, I have searched a lot and I have seen many videos, but I am finding the pentastar and the hexastar trolleys which are not moving that much easily on the stairs. So friends, I decided to make a tri-star trolley which is very convenient to move on the stairs, and for lifting the load, any type of load we can lift using these trolleys, and it is also very convenient to move. So friends, here is our tri-star trolley. So friends, here we have fitted 3 reinforced plastic wheels of 4 inches diameter, and we have placed a ball bearing for reducing the friction. And friends, we have used this plywood and these hollow steel pipes to make this trolley lighter. So friends, we are using these wheels which are neither too big and nor too small, and these are going to grip the end of the stairs very easily and are going to move up over the stairs. Which we can use on the stairs while moving from the platform to the train or at departmental stores or at industries, and we can also use it in our home to move the luggage over the stairs. So friends, it is a very fantastic project of the mechanical engineering, and you can make it very easily with the help of some very easily available components. If you have any query regarding this climbing trolley, you can contact us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more new videos, and please subscribe our channel and please like and share our videos so that we are going to make more new videos. And friends, till then, thank you, goodbye.